Okay, let's have a look at number A. Well, what do we notice here? We've got LB. Well, I'm going to use the sine rule, or you can, if you want to, you can use the other rule with grade 10 trig. Here we go. What is LB? This is going to be, if you take LB, there's that angle. This is going to be the adjacent, and this is going to be the opposite. So if you look at number A, what do we know? Let's go down here quickly. Number A, well, opposite of adjacent is the tan of 40 is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is LB. Okay, now let's multiply both sides by LB, and we bring it up there to the left, and there we go. Okay, now divide both sides by tan 40, and what do you get? Okay, so you're going to get tan 40 there, and if you work that out in a calculator, you are going to land up getting, if we round off to 2 decimal places, 3,58 meters. By the way, you could have also used the sine rule. Have a look at that. You could have said, if you wanted to, for number A, you could have said LB over the sine of this angle here. Now think about it carefully. That's 90 and that's 40. That's going to be 130. So this piece must be 50 here. So if you take LB over the sine of 50, that is going to be equal to the 3 meters over the sine of the opposite angle 40 there. And if you work that out there, LB would then be 3 meters multiplied by sine 50. Remember, you're just simply multiplying both sides by sine 50 over sine 40. And just work with me. Let's see if we get the same answer. Check that in your calculator. Work with me quickly. That's 3 times the sine of 50. Make sure you're on degrees with this, divided by the sine of 40. And let's see if we get the same. Okay, and guess what? It comes to exactly the same, and that will be 3,58 as well, if you round off to 2 decimal places there. Good. Okay, there we go. And then the other one was the length of AB. Okay, now we've got this LB as 3,58 meters. Well, what is LB? If you look at the triangle at the bottom here, we've got 2 sides and the included angle. So how do we then do that? We use the cos rule. So let's write that down. Okay, I'm going to give myself some space by just deleting this over here, and let's remove that quickly. Okay, and then how do we do this? Let's see. Good. So if you want the length of AB, so we're going to go AB squared is equal to, okay, it's 5,2 squared plus the 3,58 all squared, subtract 2 multiplied by those guys there, the 2 sides, the cos of that included angle there. So if you work that out, what does AB squared come to? Well, it'll be something like this, 54,404,10138. Okay, square root that thing, and you get 7,38 meters. That's the length of AB. Okay, great. So 7,38 meters using the 2 sides included angle, the cos rule. And then the last one is, what is the area of triangle ALB? Well, we've got 2 sides included angle, so we can use the area rule. So how does this one work? The area rule. So we can say in number C, the area of triangle ALB or ABL or ALB, something like that. Just see it's ABL is a half. Multiply the 2 sides. That's 5,2 and 3,58. That would give me the sine of 113 degrees. Okay, there we go. And if I just move it this way a little bit there, you can see it. And that is it. 5,2, 3,58. Halve those and then multiply by sine of 113. In your calculator, you would get 8,57 squared meters. Okay, good. That's it, guys. In the next example, in the next lesson, we're going to be exploring this very work using metric, compound, double angles, that sort of thing. So stay with us on Cell School. Let's continue in 3 dimensions.